In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product inventory on Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce professional or just starting out, effectively handling your inventory can make all the difference in maintaining smooth operations and ensuring customer satisfaction. In the next few moments, I'll walk you through a straightforward process to manage the stock settings for your products on Shopify. So let's get started. First things first, we'll begin by navigating to Shopify. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll need to do so. Head over to your favorite browser, type in Shopify's URL, and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is essentially the headquarters for all your store's operations and an invaluable tool for monitoring performance, managing inventory, and more. Our next step is to focus on the products section in your Shopify admin. This section is dedicated to all things related to the goods you offer in your store, an indispensable part of managing an online shop. You can access this segment by looking over to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Products, and it will take you to a page that lists all the items you currently have in your store. This is where you can search for a specific item by name or simply scroll through to locate the one you intend to work with. Once you've located the product you wish to modify, click on it. You will now be taken to a detailed view of that product's information. Here's where the magic happens. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find options that let you control your inventory settings. These options include track quantity and continue selling when out of stock. If you're looking to continue selling the product even when it's out of stock, make sure that this box is checked. Conversely, if you want to stop selling it once inventory runs out, ensure you uncheck it. On the other hand, the track quantity option allows you to actively manage stock levels by updating quantities as sales occur or new product inventory comes in. Depending on your preferences or stock availability, you can adjust these settings to best suit your business needs. Once you've made your selections, the system will typically save your changes automatically, though it's always wise to confirm by looking for a Save button and clicking it if present. And there we have it. You're done. In just a few clicks, you've adjusted crucial settings that influence how your products are sold and managed in your Shopify store. These small steps can have a significant impact on operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to better manage your online store. Until next time, happy selling